farm friends. Say hello to us. Welcome, kids, to our farm adventure. Get ready to meet some special friends who live on the farm. Are you? Hello, little ones. I'm Henny the hen. I lay eggs in the farm for you to enjoy. I'm the hen. I lay eggs for you to enjoy. How many eggs can you see in my nest? Count with me. Shaggy the sheep. Hey, friends. I'm Shaggy the sheep. My wool is super soft. Can you baa like me? Baa. Hey, kid. I'm Harry the horse. I love to run and play. Neigh like a horse with me. Neigh, neigh. Look in the sky, kids. Here come my adorable ducklings. They follow me everywhere. Can you waddle like a duckling? Waddle, waddle. Oink, oink. Howdy, everyone. I'm Percy the pig. I adore rolling in the mud and snacking on delicious treats. Can you oink like a pig? Oink, oink. Bah! Howdy, y'all. I'm Gus the goat. I love climbing rocky hills and munching on tasty greens. Can you bleat like a goat? Bah! Yee-haw! Howdy, everyone. I'm Daisy the donkey. I adore trotting through meadows and enjoying sweet hay. Can you bray like a donkey? Hee-haw! Hop, hop. Hello, friends. I'm Rosie the rabbit, and I love nibbling on carrots and hopping around. Can you hop like a rabbit? Hop, hop. Boo, boo. I'm the dog. I'm your playful friend. Bark like a dog with me. Boo, boo. Meow, meow. I'm the cat. I nap in the sun all day. Meow like a cat. Quack, quack. Hello, friends. I'm the duck. I love to paddle in the pond and wiggle my tail. Can you back like a duck? Quack, quack.